Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I will show you another fantastic AI tool in a Canva called Replicator. With this app we can easily create a different kind of mesmerizing patterns in a Canva. As you can see, I can create this different kind of patterns very easily. But we'd like to show you the application card. As you can see, easily create mesmerizing patterns, generate multiple copies of image and text elements. As you can see, you can create linear, grid, circular and wave patterns very easily. As you can see here, they used one image to create different patterns. The developer is a Code Passion Internet Services. So they made also an amazing job with this application. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment and hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I'm already in the canvas, already at my text, going to the apps and searching for Replicator. Already here. So here we can select a photographic or text element. So just select this text. In here easily what I already mentioned, we can create linear, grid, circular and wave. I will show you all 4 different patterns. So we can create linear very easily with different amounts. I just keep it like 20. We can change the space between the elements. We can create a slope. If we want more options, we can rotate the text if we need. Size ratio, so we can create a different size. Also space ratio, we can also increase the space between the text. So that's pretty amazing. I can just easily add to the design. When I click on add to design, there is a very funny thing. This is a text and the application recognizes this is a text element and we can change the font type. So I just change the font type to, now it's not so visible what I created, but as you can see, it's already, the system did what I asked, but the font type what I choose was not the best one. So the grid, we can increase in the columns, also the row. We can change the space horizontally, vertically. The more options, we can slide the lines. Also we can rotate them. And if I click on continue, I have the same. I can choose the font type, and now the system will add it to the Canva. Hope so, really doing it. Yeah, it's already added. So if you're doing the circular, we can also increase the number of the elements what we're using. And we can change the slice. So if we add just 30 degrees, 100, 180, and the whole circle. Ring count means, as you can see here on a 1, just one ring created. On a 2, already 2 ring created. The space, we can increase the space between the text, between the lines, or actually here is called the ring. We can actually sliding it. We can change the radius. We can choose this spiral effect. and also we can rotate. And if I click on continue, again I can choose the font type. Now I use this Rick Spartan. And the last one is the wave. Here is also we can change the number of the text. We can add how many waves we want to create, just 2, or we can increase to 10. We can play with the amplitude also, with the length, and here are more options. We can increase the size ratio, which is pretty funny. We can also rotate, and we can increase this branch. I don't think so is it necessary for now this with this effect. It's already too many characters and too many text used. If I click on continue, again I can choose the text type, font type. It's pretty amazing. And now I can just add, and I have a same issue what I had with the first one. I use too many, but actually this is not really the same what I created. So this wave might be not the best. Okay, add more than one. Okay. Yeah, okay, this is just a group. Oh, okay, now I see how is it works really. So just removing this size ratio, keep it like this, length, amplitude, wave count. Now it's a bit better, and try to find just an area as normal font type. Maybe it works better if I reduce everything. So lessons learned: don't use too much things or too many things if not necessary. So it's already looks better for sure. But was before, I think that was a issue with a font type. Plus I asked too many things with this branch count, rotation and everything. Size ratio was really increased, so that was too much from the system, and was actually the application did it, just was not so nice that what we get for a final outcome. But anyhow, this application is also pretty amazing. I really like it, so recommend to use if you would like to create something unique. Everything looks nice, and as I mentioned in the start, you can use also with images, also just elements, not only for text, but I just show you with the text. But it's really pretty amazing, so feel free to try also. Hope so you like it, like the tutorial. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section if I miss anything in the tutorial or you miss anything from the tutorial. Please also check my Facebook page. You can find the link in the description, where you can find lots of other tutorials, not only from me, also from other Canva experts. Plus you can find a bunch of text to image prompts for image generation for different kind of applications. So if you're also interested in this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page. You can find the link in the description. But now this tutorial will go into the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.